What is up, everybody? This is Mark. So hope you guys are enjoying your day. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I actually wanted to try out a new product, Lithium. I don't know if you guys heard of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link all their information, their social media, and as well as their website down below. They actually found us through our YouTube channel, looked them up, seen some of their product, and then I also been noticing that there is a lot of other detailers out there who actually use their products. So what they did was they sent us out a free package of trim restoration cubes. I've heard about them, I've seen them, I've never tried them, but I've heard good things about them. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna be checking out this product and I guess kind of giving it a review. But we are excited and we're grateful. So Lithium, if you guys happen to see this video, thank you guys. This is not a sponsored video. It's not a paid promotion. We just wanted to try it out and check out this this product because we're grateful for the free gift we got. So hope you guys enjoy it. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and open up this package, and then from there we're gonna check out what comes in the bag. So right off the bat, we got a little spray nozzle, this safety knob on the side here, which is pretty cool. And then so we'll go from there. Spray one pre-wash, or step one, sorry, pre-wash. I'm gonna go ahead and put this here off to the side. We got some safety gloves, pretty good because I'm actually out of my gloves. And if any of you guys get a chance to talk to Costco, it's where I pick up my gloves. Let them know to bring the gloves back. I noticed the last few times I went to Costco, they had gloves, but they had the medium size only. Tell them to bring back the man size gloves. So I do have some medium gloves, but they don't fit me. So anyways, here we go. Here's our our trim cubes here in the pack, and little instructions. If you guys noticed my last videos, you know that I'm not good at following instructions, but because I've never used this, I'm actually gonna try this one out first. So it gives me an instruction, step one, and then from there, start step one, step two, and we go from there. So let's check this out. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna get this ready here. I already put on one of the gloves. I'll put on the other one right now. And I'm assuming that I have to use maybe like a microfiber rag or something to wipe down the surface here of the vehicle, the trim that I'm gonna be doing. So one thing about trim restoration, it's actually a bit different from just your basic plastic and vinyl treatment. So that's kind of actually why I'm excited, because I'll show you guys right now. So check it out here. This is our work truck, and sorry puppy, I hit the puppy. Say hi, Ace. Ace is just being nosy. Ours is pretty faded. That's why I was actually excited for this kit, because I tried things in the past, the products that I have, and what they do is they just give it that quick shine, but it fades off. So I'm excited to see what this trim cube, the restoration kit's gonna do. So of course, like I said, I got the pre-wash spray ready. Let me go ahead and grab a microfiber rag. Once again, I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to prepare the surface, give it a good clean wipe it down. So just to be extra safe, what I did was I got a brand new microfiber rag, and I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to spray, but I'm spraying a bit. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and clean off our surface area that we're gonna apply these trim cubes to first, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, it's already a little bit of dirt picking up, which is good because it allows you to take off any contaminants or anything that will prevent these cubes from working. So I already opened up the first one. I actually like the smell to it. So here we go. And right away, I'm already seeing some results. Nice and liquidy. And then the thing about these cubes too is I actually seen one of their videos is that as you apply it and the if for some reason your liquid comes out, all you have to do is squeeze the center of the cube, and what it does is it causes some more of the chemical to come out, allowing you to spread it to cover more of your surface areas. So there we go. Let me see. Like I said, it actually gave instant results already. What we're gonna do is we're gonna, of course, give it a few minutes to dry and set, and we'll see the outcome. I like the smell that it's giving. I don't know about you guys, but when I first started detailing back in the day in about 2009, and then I stopped, one of the things that I missed the most was the smell of the chemicals, especially some of the tire dressings and the waxes. They had a smell. So back in the day, I was using a wax. I don't remember the name of it, but it was actually had a banana scent to it. So that's one of the things I like a lot about the products, is that they give off good scent. So now we're on the other side. I already prepped this side, getting it ready, and for the most part the other side is actually working really good. So look how faded that is, you know. So here we go. Like I said, instantly it already starts restoring that faded color. I guess I'll do a 50-50 for you guys. Don't mind me humming and singing. And so this is the after, and this is the before. So once again, instant. I'm already liking it, but the true test hasn't came yet. I'm gonna give it a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go back and check the whole area to see how it's looking. Oh boy. And this is actually still our first cube too, so I'm not sure if I'm using it right, if you're supposed to use a cube per section, but you know, I'm assuming that you can use as much as you can, which just causes you to save money, save product. Cubes are very easy to hold, not having no issues with them. Just going different rotations. I'm trying to make sure I get into these cracks pretty good. Oh. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. So once again, check it out. This is the after. You seen how it looked before, but this is the after. What I'm most likely gonna do is I'm actually gonna run another cube over this side because this side seems like it's just a little bit more dull, but for the most part, it's looking pretty good. So here we are, a few minutes later. Still looks good. You see some spots that are kind of going back to its original fade, but for the most part, there is a big difference. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. One of the things about detailing, and this is something that you should all learn if you have not already, is knowing what can be saved and what cannot be saved. And those are the things that we have to be able to relay to our clients, our customers. I'll be honest, I know these trims here on this truck are really bad, so eventually they might have to be replaced. But for the most part, the trim cubes did do a lot better. So there it is. Appreciate you guys.